This video will explain what an HTTP request is and how it works in the simplest way possible. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the protocol that browsers use to load websites. Websites and applications also use the HTTP protocol to exchange data and communicate with each other. Simply put, an HTTP request is like a truck that enables online communication between different browsers, websites, and applications. Every URL begins with the HTTP or HTTPS protocol and is followed by a domain name. The domain name can be followed with a path. This domain name and path is the exact location where the HTTP truck will go to send and retrieve information. If the request URL starts with HTTPS, this means that the information in the request is secure. For example, if the truck got intercepted during transport, there would be no way to read the information inside. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is how different apps communicate with each other. An API is like an app's HTTP headquarters, where trucks or requests from other apps can come to send and retrieve data. For this example, let's say we are sending a truck, or HTTP request, from zzBots to ClickUp's API. In order to get into ClickUp's API, we will need authorization to access the requested ClickUp account, almost like a security code. This security code will be included in what is called the parameters, headers, or body of the request. The parameters are included in the URL. This is much like a logo on the outside of the truck, letting ClickUp's API know what the truck is there for. The headers are comparable to a license plate that ClickUp can check for verification. The body of the request is comparable to the information stored safely in the back of the truck. Once zzBots has this authorization for the requested ClickUp account, the truck can enter ClickUp's API with an HTTP request and then return to zzBots with a response. If we wanted to get a list of ClickUp's tasks for this given account, we would send a GET request. The truck would take that request to ClickUp's API and then return with the response of a list of the requested tasks. If we wanted to create a new task in the user's ClickUp account, we would send a POST request to ClickUp's API, including information such as the task name and description. The PUT and PATCH request work the same way as the POST request, only they are requests to update specific tasks that already exist. The delete request, as the name implies, will delete the requested item, such as a task. If any of these requests fail, we would get an error response with a code such as 404. A successful response will include a response code such as 200. HTTP requests act as the truck that zzBots uses to communicate with all the different app integrations on our platform. If you want to learn more about how we connect with all of these different apps, follow the link in the description.